Imagine a time when heart health wasn't a concern. Could that ever have been a reality? As we delve into the heart of the matter, we find that heart-related diseases have been on a worrisome rise. Our hearts, the tireless workers, pumping life-giving blood around our bodies, are under siege. The culprit? Our lifestyles. We've heard it all before. Eat less salt, more fruits and veggies, exercise regularly. But is there more to the story? Could there be aspects of our lives, beyond just diet, that play a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy heart? Let's take a moment to consider. What if our mental well-being, our sleep patterns, even our relationships, have a profound impact on our heart health? What if the key to a happy heart lies in holistic lifestyle changes? We'll be diving into expert opinions and advice on heart health and lifestyle alterations, dissecting the less talked about aspects. Could it be that we are missing something crucial in our approach towards heart health? Renowned health experts have a different take on this matter. They believe it's not just about what you eat, but how you live. It's not only about the greens on your plate or the number of calories you consume, but also about the life you lead outside the kitchen. The leading cardiologists and health experts can't stress enough the importance of regular exercise. It's not about training for a marathon or becoming a gym rat, but about moving your body in a way that feels good to you. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga class, or a dance-off in your living room, regular physical activity is key to maintaining a happy heart. Equally important is managing stress. In the hustle and bustle of today's world, stress can seem inevitable, but it's how we handle it that matters. Deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, and even a good belly laugh with friends can do wonders for reducing stress levels, and in turn, keep your heart humming along. And let's not forget about the power of a good night's sleep. Adequate rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the time when our bodies recharge and repair, including our heart and blood vessels. Skimping on sleep doesn't just leave you feeling groggy, it can also put unnecessary strain on your heart. So, it's not just about counting calories or avoiding certain food groups, it's about a holistic approach to a healthy lifestyle. So, what does a heart-healthy lifestyle look like? Well, it's a blend of several elements, starting with regular physical activity. No, you don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. Simply incorporate more movement into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a brisk walk in the park, or dance your heart out in your living room. Every step counts towards a healthier heart. Next is stress management. In our fast-paced world, stress is inevitable, but how we manage it makes all the difference. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even a simple walk in nature can help keep stress at bay. When you manage your stress, your heart breathes a sigh of relief too. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Quality sleep rejuvenates your body, keeps your heart rhythm in check, and reduces the risk of heart disease. So, make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, follow a regular sleep schedule, and wake up to a happier heart every morning. Lastly, regular health checkups play a crucial role. These checkups can detect potential heart issues earlier, making them easier to treat. So don't skip your annual checkup. It's your heart's best defense. Remember, it's never too late to make these changes. Your heart will thank you. So let's start today. Let's commit to a heart-healthy lifestyle, not just for us, but for those who love us too, because a happy heart is a happy life.